Hello everybody, SoCalsabre here. Thanks for stopping in and to check me out. Today, I've played Philadelphia before, but today's going to be the first time that I tried to utilize runways 27 right and 27 left. So we got one waiting already. Set back and see if the old exterior traffic controller can keep things in order. American 433, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Ground, 27 right pushback approved. American 433.
Philadelphia Tower, American 434 with you runway 27 left.
American 434, enter final runway 27 left.
Enter final runway 27 left American 434.
Philadelphia ground, American 433 ready to taxi.
American 433, continue taxi.
Continue taxi American 433.
I might switch that American that's inbound over to 27 right a little bit, depending on how soon this taxiing one gets out there for takeoff. American 433, hold short of runway 27 right.
Hold short of runway 27 right American 433.
That's a command I'm using to get them across runway 17 without having to issue some more instructions. I've been trying to do this, especially if it's busy, so that I don't have to interrupt what I'm doing to give them a second instruction across the runway. It's all part of the game. It's inbuilt into the game. It's about 8 minutes to 7.
Philadelphia Tower, Alaska 32 with you runway 27 left.
Alaska 32, enter final runway 27 left.
Enter final runway 27 left Alaska 32.
So it's saying it's about 7 minutes to 7. I'm sure things are going to pick up a little bit after 7 o'clock. I'm going to try to keep this video to 30 to 40 minutes today. Alaska 32, enter final runway 27 right.
Enter final runway 27 right Alaska 32.
See if this is going to work. Make a little space and try to get this guy out. American 434, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land American 434.
Gotta
Philadelphia Tower, Air Wisconsin 4181 with you runway 27 left.
American 433, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway 27 right,
Keep
line
his
up and
momentum
wait
rolling.
American 433. Philadelphia Tower, Air Wisconsin 4104 with you runway 27 left.
American 433, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27 right cleared for takeoff American 433.
He's not wasting no time, that's good. Really not too sure on the separation requirements on these two, running these two runways. Alaska 32, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Runway 27 right cleared to land Alaska 32. Philadelphia Tower, Piedmont 4788 with you runway 27 left.
American 433, contact departure.
Roger, good morning.
American 434, taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet American 434.
Air Wisconsin 4181, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land Air Wisconsin 4181.
See if that Alaska can make the midfield turnoff.
Philadelphia Tower, Piedmont 48908 with you runway 27 left.
Alaska 32, taxi to terminal via Kilo 3 Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Kilo 3 Juliet Alaska 32.
Got a parade coming down final. Air Wisconsin 4104, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land Air Wisconsin 4104. Philadelphia Tower, American 2090 with you runway 27 left.
Piedmont 48908, enter final runway 27 right.
Enter final runway 27 right Piedmont 48908.
Air Wisconsin 4181, taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet Air Wisconsin 4181.
Taking your time taxiing, buddy. Get off that runway.
Philadelphia Tower, Piedmont 4828 with you runway 27 left.
Piedmont 4788, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land Piedmont 4788.
Piedmont 48908, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Runway 27 right cleared to land Piedmont 48908.
Air Wisconsin 4104, taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet Air Wisconsin 4104.
Trying to get these guys going up Juliet and take all the traffic.
Philadelphia
taxi
Tower,
down on
Air
Kilo.
Wisconsin 4143 with you runway 27 left.
And the parade continues. American 2090, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land American 2090.
Piedmont 4788, taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet Piedmont 4788.
So he's going off on the high-speed taxiway. I'll have to give him further instructions. Piedmont 4788, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Piedmont 4788.
Piedmont 4788, taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet Piedmont 4788. Philadelphia Tower, Piedmont 48903 with you runway 27 left.
Piedmont 48908, taxi to terminal via Kilo Echo Hotel.
Taxi to terminal via Kilo Echo Hotel Piedmont 48908.
Piedmont 4828, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land Piedmont 4828.
American 2090, taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet American 2090.
Wisconsin 4143, enter final runway 27 right.
Enter final runway 27 right, Air Wisconsin 4143.
Air Wisconsin 4143, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Say again.
Air Wisconsin 4143, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Runway 27 right cleared to land, Air Wisconsin 4143.
I have no idea where he's going now. Air Wisconsin 4143, contact departure.
Say again.
Air Wisconsin 4143, contact departure.
Roger, good morning. Philadelphia Tower,
conflicts.
Air Wisconsin 4235 with you, runway 27 left.
Piedmont 4893, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Say again.
Piedmont 4893, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land Piedmont 4893.
Piedmont 4828, taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet Piedmont 4828.
Philadelphia Tower, American 425 requesting push and start.
Piedmont 4898, hold position.
Say again.
American 425, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Ground, 27 right pushback approved.
Those guys
American
racing to get in out
425.
there.
Philadelphia ground, American 425 ready to taxi.
American 425, runway 27 right, taxi via Kilo Hotel.
Philadelphia Tower, American 403 with you, runway 27 left. Runway 27 right, taxi via Kilo Hotel, American 425.
Air Wisconsin 4235, enter final runway 27 right.
Enter final runway 27 right, Air Wisconsin 4235.
Philadelphia Tower, American 20906 requesting push and start.
American 20906, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Ground, 27 right pushback approved. American 20906.
Piedmont 4828. Piedmont 48903, taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet Piedmont 48903.
Philadelphia Tower, Air Wisconsin 4149er with you runway 27 left.
Air Wisconsin 4235, runway 27 right, clear to land.
Runway 27 right cleared to land Air Wisconsin 4235.
Philadelphia ground, American 209er6 ready to taxi.
American 403, runway 27 left, clear to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land American 403.
American 425, hold short of runway 27 right.
Hold short of runway 27 right American 425.
American 209er6, continue taxi.
Continue taxi American 209er6.
Nice little arrival rush here this morning.
Philadelphia Tower, American 19er52 with you runway 27 left.
Air Wisconsin 4149er, enter final runway 27 right.
Enter final runway 27 right Air Wisconsin 4149er.
American 209er6, hold short of runway 27 right.
Hold short of runway 27 right American 209er6.
Try to squeeze them out in between these two Air Wisconsins. American 425, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway 27 right line up and wait American 425.
Air Wisconsin 4235, taxi to terminal via Kilo Echo Hotel.
Taxi to terminal via Kilo Echo Hotel Air Wisconsin 4235. Philadelphia Tower, Air Wisconsin 4143 with you runway 27 left.
Philadelphia Tower,
American 425, runway 27 right,
push
cleared
and
for
start.
takeoff.
Negative. American 425.
American 425, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27 right cleared for takeoff American 425.
Air Wisconsin 4149er, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Say again.
Air Wisconsin 4149er, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Runway 27 right cleared to land Air Wisconsin 4149er.
Don't know why the voice recognition gets worse the longer the run goes.
Philadelphia Tower,
American
Piedmont
403,
4804
taxi
with
to
you runway
terminal
27
via
left.
Yankee Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet American 403.
United's kind of close to the taxiway, so we'll let this Piedmont guy get by him first. American 1952, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land. American 1952.
American 425, contact departure.
Roger, good morning. Philadelphia Tower, Endeavor 3623 requesting
United
push and start.
2388, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Negative. United 2388.
United 2388, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground, 27 right pushback approved.
American 2096, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway 27 right, line up and wait. American 2096.
Endeavor 3623, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground, 27 right pushback approved. Endeavor 3623.
Air Wisconsin 4149er, taxi to terminal via Kilo Echo Hotel.
Taxi to terminal via Kilo Echo Hotel Air Wisconsin 4149er.
Philadelphia ground, United 2388 ready to taxi.
United 2388, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. United 2388.
United 2388, hold short of runway 27 right.
Hold short of runway 27 right. United 2388.
Air Wisconsin 4143, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Philadelphia Tower, Air Wisconsin 4112 with you. Runway 27 left.
American 2096, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27 left cleared to land Air Wisconsin 4143.
Runway 27 right cleared for takeoff. American
American
2096.
1952, taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet.
Philadelphia ground, Endeavor 3623 ready to taxi.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet. American 1952.
Endeavor 3623, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Endeavor 3623.
American 1952, continue taxi.
Continue taxi. American 1952.
I'm gonna have to read up on that. For some reason, they take the high-speed turnoffs that they need further instructions to keep going.
Philadelphia Tower, Air Wisconsin 4234 with you. Runway 27 left.
Piedmont 4804, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left
Air
cleared to
Wisconsin
land. Piedmont
4149er,
4804.
hold position.
Hold position Air Wisconsin 4149er.
Endeavor 3623, hold short of runway 27 right.
Hold short of runway 27 right Endeavor 3623.
American 2096, contact departure.
Roger, good morning.
United 2388, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway 27 right, line up and wait. United 2388.
Air Wisconsin 4143, taxi 2 terminal via Yankee Kilo Echo Hotel.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Kilo Echo Hotel, Air Wisconsin 4143.
Philadelphia Tower, Piedmont 4868 with you, runway 27 left.
Boy, these guys are coming in like crazy. United 2388, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27 right cleared for takeoff. United 2388.
Piedmont 4804, taxi 2 terminal via Yankee Kilo Echo Hotel.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee
Air
Kilo Echo
Wisconsin
Hotel, Piedmont
4149er,
4804.
continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Air Wisconsin 4149er.
Endeavor 3623, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway 27 right, line up and wait. Endeavor
Air
3623.
Wisconsin 4112, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land. Air Wisconsin 4112.
I'm glad there's enough separation between this runway and taxiway. I don't get a wound out for it. Let's get these guys over there. I got past them anyway.
Philadelphia
United
Tower,
2388.
UPS 90810
Contact
with you,
departure.
runway 27 left.
Roger, good morning.
Piedmont 4868, enter final runway 27 right.
Enter final runway 27 right, Piedmont
Endeavor
4868.
3623, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27 right cleared for takeoff. Endeavor 3623.
This UPS in and then I'll probably shut it down because we're up on 30 minutes right now. Air Wisconsin 4234, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land. Air Wisconsin 4234.
Endeavor 3623, contact departure.
Roger, good morning.
Piedmont 4868, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Say again.
Piedmont 4868, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Runway 27 right cleared
Air
to land.
Wisconsin
Piedmont 4868.
4112, taxi 2 terminal via Yankee Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet. Air Wisconsin 4112.
UPS 90810, runway 27 left, cleared to land, number 2, following traffic short final.
Runway 27 left cleared to land, hold short UPS 90810.
UPS 90810, runway 27 left, cleared to land.
Runway 27 left cleared to land, UPS 90810.
Well, this has been a nice little rush this morning in Philadelphia. Like what you see, go down there and help me out. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and you like to see the other things I have on my channel. Check out my playlists. Air Wisconsin 4234, taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet.
Taxi to terminal via Yankee Juliet, Air Wisconsin
Well, I
4234.
really got myself into some trouble if I had more departures than we had this morning. Old brain don't work as quick as it used to when I was active controller. But this is fun. The UPS, when he lands, he's going to have to turn off to the right, come back up Sierra, and then back in the uniform since there's no taxiway down on the south side. UPS eating up that guy on final 27 right. Arrival really run those guys pretty close.
Philadelphia Tower, Piedmont 4837 with you, runway 27 left.
Piedmont 4868, taxi to terminal via Kilo Echo Hotel.
Taxi to terminal via Kilo Echo Hotel, Piedmont 4868.
Well, it gave me a ding for something. I don't know what it was. I'm going to have to look in a minute. I didn't quite understand that. I got it for Endeavor taking it off and Air Wisconsin 4112 coming in. UPS 90810, taxi to terminal via Sierra Uniform.
Taxi to terminal via Sierra Uniform, UPS 90810.
Okay, we got a ding right there close to the end. That's a little disappointing. I wish I could remember what was happening at that time. I didn't seem like I had anybody close. So, till you see me again, take care of yourselves, be kind to each other, and stay safe.